Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to join the TikTok Made Me Buy It trend, a fun and effective way to boost engagement and even go viral. So let's get started. First, all you need to do is to find a product from your gallery that genuinely impressed you, whether it's a gadget, a beauty item, or a home hack. And also, tell your story clearly what it is, what surprised you, and why you bought it. Authenticity matters. You can also use a hashtag TikTok made me buy it trend on your caption to join the massive trend. Then include a hashtag with a niche related like beauty must have or extra rich and post at peak times and encourage interactions like have you ever tried this or tag someone who needs this and repost and revive. If people respond well, share and follow ups or updated the experience clips. And that's how you join the TikTok Made Me Buy a trend and ride its virality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more content hacks. Thanks for watching.